What's up, guys? Welcome back to Cooking with Chubaranks. We got another ALDI wine tasting, Winking Owl Chardonnay. Let's check it out. Here she be. Just took off the top, almost forgot. I want to hear that noise. Let's see. Nope, can't do it two hands.
I've never had.
Gosh, it's a lot harder than it looks with one hand. There we go. Let's see. There we go. Alrighty. Smells like grapes. What do you know? Ooh, pretty. It's like water almost, but pea, yellow pea. Beautiful.
Thank you.
That's enough. Alrighty. Let's cheers.
Cheers.
Not bad. Clean. The aftertaste isn't very bad. Not bad.
Pretty good.
I'll think of a score right now. Give me a second. Alrighty, so after eating it, after eating it with, oh my gosh, this is difficult to hold. I need to get my little holder. After eating it and drinking it, thinking, one sip, everybody knows the rule. 6.3, pretty good. Not bad. $2. That's pretty bomb. So, enjoying my food, enjoying my drink. Till next time, nos vemos, guys.